Okay, I just upgrade my computer. I just bought an Apple Mac Mini and I just realized my Waves plugins don't work because they're version 14. So I had to upgrade to version 16. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we can do is actually go through here and then click learn how to update version 16. But before we do that, I want to ask you to stay until the end. You're going to find out about a good surprise. Okay, how to update Waves plugin to the latest version. We have three options here: how to update virtual plugins to the latest version, how to update Waves Creative App subscription to the latest version, and how to upgrade Waves free plugins pack to the latest version. In my case, I'm just gonna upgrade perpetual plugins to the latest version. So I'm gonna click here, and it will explain you step by step what you gotta do. And first of all, to ensure your system supports the latest version of plugin software, click here. And in here, you're gonna find all the different Wave versions that they have. In my case, I have version 14. I just purchased Mac Mini N4 and the Mac OS is Sequoia 15.6 and it doesn't match the requirements. So I'm gonna have to upgrade all the way to 16, which is the latest versions of Waves plugin. If I open this up, it's gonna explain me that it's a CPU, Intel or Silicon architecture, and the operating system is all these guys right here, Sequoia. That's what I have, Sequoia. And it has a memory, 16 gigabyte of RAM minimum. And the same thing for Windows if you're a Windows user. So I'm gonna go back. And the second part, if your licenses are not covered by Waves update plan, renew your covers first. So you have to click here. And then in here, you have to get Waves updated plan. So all you gotta do is select them all, and it will tell you how much it is. It's $240. And you can upgrade all these plugins. All you gotta do is renew update plan, enter your information, and confirm order. And the last thing says once renewed, or if your license are already covered by the Waves update plan, update then to version 16. So I'm gonna click here, and now all I have to do is select all, and then we're gonna click on get latest version, and we got it. Now all we're gonna do now is install and activate your products, and for that we're gonna go into Wave Central. We're gonna we're gonna click where it says install products, select my products, and then we're gonna click on the right bottom part, install and activate. Just click in there. It might take a few minutes. I'm just gonna speed it up for the video. And then once done, you can see all the check marks on the right side which says activated and install. And that's it. And all right, so this is how you upgrade your Waves plugins to version 16. And now I can use it with my Apple Mac Mini N4. And the surprise was that I got an email after I purchased the Waves plan that I have a second license to use with all my plugins, except for a few plugins, but you'll find out in the next video. So click on the next video and you're gonna find out how I claim my free second license from Waves for free. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.